Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to The Simply Natural Woman, where we explore the incredible benefits of natural remedies and plant-based solutions for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, we will dive into the health benefits and medicinal uses of TCM, or traditional Chinese medicine. Please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight into it. Traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, is a comprehensive medical system that's been practiced for thousands of years in China and other parts of East Asia. TCM takes a holistic approach to health and focuses on balancing the body's energy known as qi to promote overall well-being. When it comes to the treatment of fibroids, TCM offers a range of therapies that can complement conventional or traditional medical approaches. In this video, we're going to explore the use of TCM in fibroids, its potential benefits, associated risks, and how to determine its suitability for you based on your symptoms and the size of fibroids. TCM offers various treatments for fibroids, including herbal medicine, acupuncture, dietary therapy, and lifestyle changes. These therapies aim to regulate hormonal imbalances, promote blood circulation, and resolve stagnant qi or energy in the body. TCM views fibroids as manifestations of an underlying imbalance in the body, often involving the liver, spleen, and kidneys. According to TCM theory, fibroids are considered to be a result of stagnant energy and blood in the womb. The goal of TCM treatment for fibroids is to promote the smooth flow of qi and blood, regulate hormonal balance, and nourish the affected organs. TCM practitioners typically take a personalized approach, that's really important, considering your unique pattern of disharmony to determine the appropriate treatment strategy. So let's look a bit closely at some of these different components of TCM, starting with herbal medicine. Herbal formulas are a fundamental component of TCM. Specific herbal combinations are prescribed based on the patient's symptoms and diagnostic pattern. Some commonly used herbs for fibroids include Chinese peony, Chinese angelica, red sage root, and cinnamon bark. These herbs are believed to have anti-inflammatory, hormone regulating, and blood activating properties that may help reduce fibroid size, alleviate pain, and manage associated symptoms. However, it is essential to note that the use of herbal medicine should be supervised by a qualified TCM practitioner to ensure proper doses, formulation, and safety. Number 2, acupuncture. Acupuncture involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points of the body to stimulate energy flow and restore balance. In the context of fibroids, acupuncture can help relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and promote circulation to the pelvic area. It may also regulate hormonal imbalances and address underlying factors contributing to the development of fibroids. And we think it stimulates the body's natural healing mechanisms, which potentially could help to reduce the size of fibroids. Sessions for acupuncture are typically tailored to your individual unique symptoms and constitution, and regular treatment for some time will be recommended. And what about dietary therapy? TCM emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet in promoting health. Dietary recommendations for fibroids often include avoiding or just minimizing foods that are believed to worsen the condition, like red meat, some dairy products, and processed foods. Instead, you're encouraged to eat a diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. And your practitioner may also recommend specific foods or herbal teas believed to have some therapeutic effects on fibroids. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Let's crack on. What are the benefits of TCM for fibroids? Number 1, symptom management. TCM approaches can help alleviate common symptoms of fibroids like heavy menstrual bleeding, pelvic pain, and bloating. Number 2, hormonal balance. The therapies in TCM aim to regulate hormonal imbalances that contribute to fibroid growth, potentially slowing down the fibroids and reducing their size. Number 3, non-invasive options. TCM provides non-surgical alternatives for women looking for conservative treatment options or complementing their conventional medical options. Number 4, holistic approach. TCM considers that your body is interconnected and it focuses on treating the underlying causes of fibroids rather than just the symptoms. And 5th, personalized or individual treatment. Your practitioner will tailor your treatment plan based on your symptom, your constitution, underlying patterns, and that ensures you're getting personalized care for your own condition. And now let's consider some risks and considerations when it comes to traditional Chinese medicine, because while it can offer potential benefits, it's essential to consider the following risks and factors when deciding whether or not you want to go for TCM. Number 1 is the lack of scientific evidence. The effectiveness of TCM for fibroids needs robust scientific evidence, and most of the studies that we have so far, they've been just very small samples or with limitations to the methods or the process that the study was conducted with. Number 2, delayed diagnosis or treatment. By relying only on TCM, it may delay the diagnosis or even the right medical treatment for fibroids, and that potentially could allow them to grow and cause complications. Another risk to consider is your own individual variation, and by that I mean each person's condition is unique, and so what works for one person may not work for another. TCM treatments need to be tailored to each person's specific needs and should be monitored by a qualified practitioner. And 4th, you need to consider the possibility of interaction with conventional treatments. And by that I mean that some TCM herbs or therapies may interact with medications or treatments prescribed by your traditional medical practitioner. So it's crucial to let your TCM practitioner and healthcare provider know about all the treatments that you're undergoing from both ends. Another consideration that you have to take is the fibroid size and severity. Now, TCM may be more effective in managing smaller fibroids or alleviating symptoms rather than reducing the size of large fibroids. So it may be more suitable for smaller fibroids or in conditions where the symptoms are not severe. Please remember that fibroids' size, where they're located in the womb, and how severe the symptoms they cause are have to be considered when deciding or choosing a treatment option. A large or rapidly growing fibroid may require more invasive medical interventions, that is surgery. And 6th, think about a collaborative approach. I've mentioned this before, but integrating TCM with conventional medical care, that's medication or surgery, can offer a more comprehensive treatment plan, and consulting with both a TCM practitioner and a gynecologist can provide a well-rounded perspective that will give you sustainable relief in managing your fibroids. Alright guys, let's talk about how to determine whether TCM is suitable, so its suitability for fibroids. And to do so, you need to consider the following factors. 1, consultation with healthcare providers. Seek professional advice from both traditional Chinese medical practitioners and conventional medical doctors like a gynecologist or your family doctor to gather a comprehensive understanding of your condition and treatment options. Number 2, symptom assessment. Evaluate the severity and impact of fibroid symptoms on your quality of life. TCM can be particularly useful if your symptoms are mild to moderate and you prefer non-invasive approaches. Something else that can determine whether or not TCM is suitable is the characteristic of your fibroid. So think about the size, how many fibroids you have, where they're located, are they subserosal or are they submucosal. TCM may be more effective in managing smaller fibroids or in combination with other medical interventions for larger fibroids. And lastly, what is your personal preference? So what is your comfort level, your belief system, and how willing are you to try complementary or alternative therapies? Having an open discussion with both your conventional health provider and TCM practitioner is vital to make this decision. So ladies, traditional Chinese medicine offers a holistic approach to looking after fibroids by addressing underlying imbalances, promoting the relief of symptoms, and potentially can reduce the size of fibroids. But while it can be a valuable addition to the management of your fibroids, you really must make sure to consult with qualified practitioners, taking into account your individual symptoms, fibroid size, and integrating TCM with conventional medical care. A collaborative decision making that's based on these type of comprehensive evaluations will provide the best outcome for you. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm very sure you've picked up some valuable points about making a decision for using traditional Chinese medicine in treating your fibroids. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. And I'm going to see you again soon in another one of our health information videos. Bye now.